Saleng sangma habakentho ike jingkren menteri rangba sarkar MDA tu Rakam sangma tagabaong baki MP bathamai ke jila Meghalaya kimla thau perthai namar kisyong hakaliang persya. Saleng habakren sikilat perthai kubo lakentho dagabaong bamanga Saleng ngamde Rakam ulong Rukom Pyrkhat Rakam mat Rukom Pyrkhat Saleng ke Ïapher bak labak ulong kene ke jingkren Rakam kade keba ukran yalade.
Opposition. I was in the opposition for whole 5 years. Remember? Okay, as an independent, and that was a lonely independent. Okay, this time I've got a friends in the independence, which we have, barely a few, a few margins to be in the opposition. So last time I was alone. This time we are not alone. We are a team. So I don't see that there will be a much of a problem.
That is what's.
So I am me, Saleng. Okay, I'm not Rakam. So I'm totally different. My character, Rakam's character, their conscience, my conscience is totally different from. So I'm not Rakam. So I have performed even during the opposition. Also, I will perform tomorrow. So at least I will not stay barren like that.
When are you going to?
I'm not scared.
To Delhi?
The one who's spoken about me, about the oppositions and the uselessness about being in the opposition. I think you might have only heard about few people who have spoken about it, so you can coin them.
So in 2008,
I'm saying those who spoken about it. You see, those who spoken about it, they will feel only when I say they. You got my point. I need not have to, individualize every word I've spoken. But the one which I've spoken, Rakam, of course.